least I wouldn't say they don't come, but they're not that much. And as long as you're good with it.
And that's where the 10 rupee mobile recharge really comes in use.
बिल्कुल वो 10 रुपए का रिचार्ज आपको बहुत बहुत चीप लगेगा एक टाइम के बाद.
Great. So we had a tremendous response to this campaign. Our families are here. They're very excited to meet you. But before that, we went and shot a little video with the families. We asked them what it felt like to win this golden ticket to come here to Bombay and meet Kajol. So let's take a look at that video and see what their experience has been like.
I'm a new mom, so I have like one question for you. Is that you've been associated with the brand for the last 3 years. Why do you think that Huggies is better than the rest of the brands?
Okay, let me just first say that I think as mothers we all go through and we try everything. हम सब try करते हैं. जो भी हमको लगता है कि जिसका advertisement देखते हैं कि लगता है कि हमारी जिंदगी और आसान हो जाएगी, वो हमेशा try करेंगे. और actually I did try all the brands before I settled on Huggies, and I realized that Huggies lasts longer. And especially things like rashes and stuff like that, they don't come. They're not, at least I wouldn't say they don't come, but they're not that much. And as long as you're good with it, I really genuinely believe that Huggies can take a lot more abuse. Yeah.
Thank you.
देखा जाए तो जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, हमारे देश के जो ज़्यादातर छोटे बच्चे हैं, हाइजीन मैनेजमेंट का बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है. तो हाइजीन मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगी?
किसके मैनेजमेंट की बात? Sorry?
Hygiene management.
Hygiene management. Well, hygiene I think is very important. I think hygiene एक ऐसा area है जो that relates to. I've actually done a whole campaign on hygiene and washing your hands, etc. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं तो उनकी immunity बहुत कम होती है, especially newborns. The mortality rate in our country is really, really high. Of children before the age of 2, and that's because of the hygiene standards that we think are that हम लोग normal ले रहे हैं. हम लोग जिस हिसाब से normal, जैसे हमारी माएँ और हमारी दादी करती थी हमारे साथ, तो I think in today's day and age जिस दुनिया में हैं अभी उसका pollution level इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है कि we cannot take it for granted anymore. हम जो पहले सोचते थे कि हमारे माँ बाप सिखाते थे हमको कि बेटा हाथ मुंह धो के फिर खाने पे बैठ जाओ. हम सोचते थे कि ये एक आदत है जो मेरी दादी ने सिखाया था, जो मेरी दादी और मेरी मम्मी मेरे को सिखाया करते थे, लेकिन अभी वो आदत एक ज़रूरत बन चुकी है. और हाइजीन जो है आई थिंक इट्स एक्चुअली अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ लाइफ एंड डेथ एट द टाइम ऑफ when you compare it to kids. It's really a question of life and death, because when they get diarrhea and pneumonia, it can only be cured because of strict hygiene. I think हर डॉक्टर भी कहता है आपको, अगर आप डॉक्टर से भी बात करो तो इस केस में जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनको दवाइयों से ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, लेकिन उसको हाइजीन से फ़र्क पड़ता है. आपको पानी बॉईल करना चाहिए, आपको हाथ धोने चाहिए साबुन से, वो भी पानी से नहीं साबुन से धोने पड़ते हैं. नाइसली वॉश योर हैंड्स, कीप एवरीथिंग स्टेरिलाइज्ड एंड क्लीन. इट्स रियली आई कांट स्ट्रेस ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस that it takes for kids. I think इसी वजह से जब मेरी बेटी पैदा हुई थी और मैं माँ पहली बार बनी थी और मुझे जब डॉक्टर ने बताया कि this is what you have to do and this is what you have to do, and I was like इतना सारा काम. I was just like सोच के मुझे टेंशन हो रहा था उस वक्त. और लेकिन I realized slowly and surely that the best thing that I could do for my child at that point of time was to keep myself and my surrounding area hygienic and clean. तो बहुत सारी लड़ाई और झगड़े हुए मेरे घर में, क्योंकि हैंड सैनिटाइजर के बॉटल हुआ करते थे और जो भी रूम में आता था मैं उनको कहती थी कि चप्पल निकाल के अंदर आओ, नहा के आओ, हाथ धो के आओ, ये कपड़ा पहनो. और तो बहुत सारी लड़ाई और झगड़े हुए. बहुत सारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स थे जिनको बहुत बुरा लगा कि मैं ऐसे चीज़ें क्यों करवा रही हूँ. हम तो हमारे बच्चे तो ऐसे ही बड़े हुए होते थे. लेकिन I honestly believe that I would rather do this than have them fall sick and have to take care of a sick child and have to worry about a sick child at the end of the day. And I believe that prevention is better than cure. तो आपने मुझे अपनी favorite question पूछ ली मेरी favorite question जिसके ऊपर मैं lecture दे सकती हूँ और आधा घंटा. So I'll just go on to the next question. Thank you.
Hi Joel, I'm Roshni from Indus Parent.
Hi.
So my question for you is, you've seen the whole gamut of motherhood from 0 to 12. Which stage do you think was the most challenging, and what helped you overcome those challenges?
I think all of it is challenging, to be honest. It's challenging in different ways. Initially, it's all about working on sleep deprivation, and we all know that sleep deprivation kills you much faster than any other food deprivation as well. So, as far as bringing up children is concerned, it depends. Their needs keep changing. You keep changing. You have to adapt constantly and think constantly. Think up clever answers constantly for the very, very, very clever questions that your children come up with later. And, as like, for instance, my daughter is 11 today, and I don't think she needs me any less than when she was 3 months old or 4 months old. Yes, I can probably leave her today for an hour or two, or maybe even a day or two. And, I don't think that she'll go very wrong, but she misses me and she needs me on a daily basis, and that I don't think is going to change. That I really don't think is going to change.